Good day, I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Definitely healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Which friends or family members you know that working here?
Sister-in-law, ma'am.
Do you know which place she were designated?
No, ma'am.
Remind yourself that you come to work here in Malaysia and not to meet up with your sister-in-law here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. My name is Marvic M. Lumigat, 32 years old. I was born on May 4, 1993. I live in Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am a Christian Baptist. I have already married and have 4 kids, 3 girls and 1 boy. Age 13, 11, 7, and 2. Uh, I am a full-time mother since 2012 until now. And I I experienced barangay health worker from 2017 to 2024 in our barangay. And addition, I am experienced taking care of a bedridden on 2023 up to present, ma'am.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first. Okay, do you have your passport?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
Ma'am,
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
oh, ma'am, none.
How
None,
old
ma'am.
are you again?
32, ma'am.
Okay. When is your birthday?
May 4, 1993, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
5'1" and 50 kilograms, ma'am.
What is your religion again?
Uh,
Christian.
yes, ma'am. Christian Baptist, ma'am.
Okay, what about your educational background?
Vocational, ma'am.
In what course?
Nursing assistant, ma'am.
Okay. So you finished your 2 years vocational course as a nursing assistant, am I right?
Yes, ma'am. 6 months, ma'am. 6 months.
6 months only. Okay, so you
Ma'am.
mentioned that this is your first time working abroad and you got 4 kids. So who will
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
32 years old, ma'am, and he is a farmer, ma'am.
Did he allow you to come into work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say that if your husband is asking you to go back home, is you will go back home. No such a thing. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If you cannot endure your homesick or you cannot handle your job anymore, there is no such a thing that you can go back home faster. Okay? Because you know that this is a 2 years contract and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home.
Yes,
Terminating
ma'am.
of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come to work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours. But instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I understand, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come, work properly. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
According to your profile and according to you just a while ago, you are a full-time mother way back 2012 until recently. But according to you also, way back 2017 to 2024, you work as a barangay what?
Barangay health worker, ma'am.
Barangay health workers.
Yes,
Health
ma'am.
worker. After that, 2023 and until recently, you work as what?
Full, ma'am, full-time mother, ma'am, and I experienced also taking care of a bedridden patient, ma'am.
What year is it?
From 2023, ma'am,
Until?
until now, ma'am.
So, is it stay in? Because according to you, you have an experience as a bedridden. Because you mentioned that you were a full-time mother, right? But this
Yes,
one
ma'am.
is you are not staying in inside the house. You are stay out, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So you worked for how many years already? Oh, okay. So how old is the bedridden that you are taking care of?
She is already 50, ma'am. 50 years old.
Is it female or male?
Male, ma'am. Ay, female, female. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Female.
Yes, ma'am.
So, is it nearby in your place, this one, or it's quite far
Nearby,
away?
ma'am. Nearby, ma'am.
Nearby. Okay. So, being an OFW is that not so easy. Most especially that you are choosing to work as a domestic helper. It is a very, very tough job. This is not an easy job, okay? You cannot simply say you wanted to give up, you cannot endure the hardships or what. Then, no point that you are coming here. Okay? Houses here is quite big. There is no joke. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness also. There is no place for weak people once you come to work abroad. You need to be brave. You need to think many times. It's a brave decision that you need to choose because you are working quite far away from your family, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes.
Are you not afraid of any dogs or any cats?
No, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You come to work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. But here in Malaysia, we need to humble ourselves, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Being a first-timer, you are working quite far away from your family. Mostly or frequently, homesickness will attack you anytime and anywhere. What will you gonna do later?
I will distract myself for doing my job, ma'am, and call my family and I hear song.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Marivic. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much
ma'am.
and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.